Alright, language explorers. So let's look at this Sunday's Sunday prepositions. So abaft, near the back of a ship, behind. Near the back of a ship, behind. So our boat is abaft yours. So at the back of a ship. The ocean is at our abaft. The ocean is behind us. Yeah. The boat was abaft the yacht. Makes sense. Yeah. What is abaft his yacht? What is behind his yacht? What's behind his yacht? Our home is abaft the gallery. Our home, maybe a home, or maybe the boat home is abaft the gallery. Yeah. So we went abaft the garden. Yeah. So we went abaft this garden, so the land. We are abaft the land in our boat. Yeah, what? So I am abaft the boat, sailing behind you. Behind you, yeah. So it is abaft us now, thankfully. Whew. Yeah. So they, say he and she. So they think it is abaft us, but I am not sure. Yeah, I'm not sure. And he, change that. He thinks it is at the abaft. Well, he thinks it is at the abaft. Yeah. But it might be. It might not be. But it might not be, yeah. She was abaft, but now she is at the front. Yeah. How cool is that? I am going abaft of the shop now. Yeah, behind. We've got one boat as a shop. We're going abaft it, behind it. Where can we find abaft of the boat? Yeah. How can I get to the abaft of the boat? There are all sorts of things in the way. Yeah. How? I think that these boxes are cluttering up the abaft. Yeah, the abaft, yeah. So the boxes are abaft at the back. Abaft us, for example. Abaft us, the controls. Yeah. Abaft the controls, abaft the sails. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, can you use abaft in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram when you search for English with Adrian. Yeah. How cool is that? And you can find me on Udemy too when you search for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.